Greetings, I am Sabria Williams, a transfer social work major at Tuskegee University, and today we'll be discussing the colorism questionnaire. The colorism questionnaire was a survey that I created and conducted and allowed over 100 Tuskegee universities to partake in to explore the attitudes of colorism and how colorism really influences and has a heavy impact on the African American community. For those of you who do not know what colorism is defined as a prejudice or discriminatory attitude or action against individuals with dark skin tone. For example, if you ever use the term team light skin or team dark skin, you're showing acts of colorism. Colorism provides privileges to the light skinned African Americans that are hard to obtain by dark skinned Americans. Another great example of colorism will be in a movie that we all know that are a part of the black community is Roots, where they made a phrase or made a statement saying that a person was a house slave or field slave based off the color of their skin. So the lighter your skin, you will be a house slave. The darker your skin, you'll be a field slave. So basically just saying the lighter you are, the better you are. So let's jump right into it, shall we? So just a little overview of the method. Like I said, I created a survey with 4 demographic questions such as the respondents had to tell me their classification, gender, etc., and 12 other questions, opinionated statements that reflected on colorism in the African American community. And the students had to respond basically between strongly agree to strongly disagree how they felt about these statements. One of the statements we'll be looking at is also my multivariate hypothesis, where the respondents picked friends because of their skin color, by awareness of colorism, and by region of residency. To break that down in further detail, everyone, there was 3 questions in one. The first question was, do you pick friends based off their skin color? The other question was, are you aware of what colorism is? And the third question was, what was the region you reside in? And I expected, my own personal expectation was that the southern region would have the most people to show signs of colorism or showing that they were influenced or affected by colorism, and my hypothesis was proven accurate. 79.2% of Southern students agreed that they picked friends because of their skin color, even though they are aware of what colorism is. This shows that colorism is still a prevalent issue in the African American community, and it's prevalent every day here at Tuskegee University. Colorism affects your attitude and your actions toward the other skin tone. And you can see through plenty of the questionnaire responses and percentages that these students real life are affected and influenced by colorism. In my research report, I also included a chart basically showing light to dark skin tones in the African American community. So this basically gives you an idea of where you will fall, like what is considered light skin and what is considered medium skin and also what is considered dark skin. Also, I have a little figure here that says Wakanda Forever. If you ever seen the movie Black Panther is the leading movie right now in the States and in other countries that has tried to break down that wall of colorism. So thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you learned a lot about colorism in this brief period of time, and Wakanda Forever. Thank you.